In today's fast-paced world, many people find themselves grappling with financial stress. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you feel like no matter how hard you work, there's never enough money to cover your expenses, let alone save for the future? You're not alone. Rising costs of living, stagnant wages, and unexpected expenses can make it feel like you're stuck in a never-ending cycle of financial strain. But what if there was a way to break free from this cycle? What if you could create an additional stream of income that fits into your busy schedule? Enter the world of side hustles, a practical solution to boost your income and regain control of your financial life. Let's face it, the traditional 9-to-5 job isn't always enough to meet the demands of modern life. Between rent, groceries, student loans, and childcare, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. What happens when an emergency arises, like a car repair or a medical bill? Do you find yourself dipping into savings you don't have, or relying on credit cards that only deepen your debt? The truth is, many people are just one unexpected expense away from financial disaster. But what if you could create a safety net for yourself? What if you could turn your skills, passions, or spare time into a source of extra income? A side hustle is more than just a trendy buzzword. It's a lifeline for those looking to improve their financial situation. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, save for a big purchase, or simply have more breathing room in your budget, a side hustle can help you achieve your goals. The beauty of a side hustle is its flexibility. You can start small, work on your own terms, and scale up as you see fit. Here are some side hustle ideas that address common financial pain points and offer practical solutions. Do you have a talent or skill that's going unused? Maybe you're great at writing, graphic design, or coding, but your current job doesn't allow you to fully utilize these abilities. Offer your services as a freelancer on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or TopTal. Whether it's creating websites, editing videos, or managing social media accounts, freelancing allows you to turn your expertise into extra cash. Plus, you can set your own rates and work on projects that interest you. Are you struggling to make ends meet despite having a wealth of knowledge in a particular subject? Maybe you're a math whiz, a language enthusiast, or a science buff, but your day job doesn't reflect your expertise. Sign up for online tutoring platforms like VIPKid, Chegg Tutors, or Wizant. You can teach students from around the world, set your own schedule, and earn a competitive hourly rate. It's a rewarding way to help others while padding your wallet. Do you love crafting, painting, or making jewelry but feel like your hobbies are just a drain on your wallet? What if you could turn your passion into profit? Platforms like Etsy, eBay, or even Instagram allow you to sell handmade goods to a global audience. Whether it's knitted scarves, custom artwork, or personalized candles, there's a market for unique handmade items. Start small and grow your business as demand increases. Do you have a car sitting idle most of the time? Are you looking for a way to make money without committing to a rigid schedule? Sign up for ride-sharing services like Uber or Lyft, or delivery platforms like DoorDash or Instacart. These gigs allow you to work whenever it's convenient for you, whether it's during your lunch break, after work, or on weekends. It's a simple way to turn your downtime into dollars. Do you spend hours scrolling through social media or blogging without any financial return? What if you could monetize your online activity? Join affiliate marketing programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or Rakuten Marketing. By promoting products or services and earning a commission on sales, you can turn your social media following or blog into a revenue stream. It's a low-effort way to earn passive income. Do you love animals but can't afford to have a pet of your own? Or maybe you're looking for a flexible way to earn extra money without a huge time commitment. Offer pet sitting or dog walking services through platforms like Rover or Wag. It's a fun and fulfilling way to earn money while spending time with furry friends. Plus, you can choose assignments that fit your schedule. Are you highly organized and great at multitasking, but feel undervalued in your current role? What if you could use those skills to earn extra income? Become a virtual assistant and help businesses with tasks like email management, scheduling, or data entry. Websites like Belay or Zirtual connect virtual assistants with clients, offering flexible work arrangements and competitive pay. step could be the side hustle that changes your life.